Xiaomi Mi 11. Yeah, this is a flagship mobile from Xiaomi. This mobile is also releasing on India with same specifications, which I will tell you in this video. So let's start with the display size. This mobile comes with a 6.81 inches of 1440p AMOLED display, which supports 120Hz refresh rate display with a 240Hz of touch resembling rate. And this mobile comes with a processor that is a latest Qualcomm Snapdragon processor, that is a Qualcomm Snapdragon triplet processor, which is a octa-core processor which was clocked at 2.84 GHz. And this processor is a 5nm build processor, and it also supports 5G. And this mobile is available in only one variant in India. I don't know why, but this mobile will be available in 8GB RAM and 128GB internal storage variant, which we cannot expand with a microSD card slot because this mobile does not support microSD card. And when we talk about the cameras, yeah, this is the main important thing about this mobile. That is, this mobile comes with a triple camera setup where we can find 108 megapixels of main wide-angle camera with OIS, optical image stabilization, and a 13 megapixels of ultra wide-angle camera, and also a 5 megapixels of macro camera. And for the front-facing selfie camera, this Xiaomi Mi 11 mobile comes with a 20 megapixels of front-facing selfie camera. We can shoot up to 4K 30 FPS using this mobile's front-facing selfie camera. And this mobile comes with the latest features, like this mobile also comes with a bigger battery, that is a 4600 milliamp hours of battery. What's the biggest thing about this mobile is this mobile supports 55 watts of super quick charge V 4.0, like my iQOO 3 right now. This mobile also got the latest feature, like this mobile runs on Android version 11 and MIUI 12 out of the box. And the Xiaomi also offering us two types of mobile shippings. Those are, we can either order the mobile with the charger and earphones, or we cannot order them. Basically, we can get a mobile and just a Type-C cable inside the box. These are the two types of shippings Xiaomi making. So this mobile also got the features like stereo speakers. This mobile comes with a in-display fingerprint scanner, and it also got face unlock ID also. So yeah, these are the main important features of this Xiaomi Mi 11 mobile. And this mobile will be available in 3 colors, which I will mention in the description box down below, and I will also provide a link to buy this mobile when it releases in the description box down below. And this mobile was price starts from 44,999 rupees, that is almost 45,000 rupees. So if you want to buy this mobile, do check out my latest video about this mobile at that time. So that's it for the video. If you like this video, hit the like button and the subscribe button.